Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show you navigation elements, this type navigation elements, how to create this type navigation elements. So first of all, use open your notepad, a WebStorm, any editor, notepad++, open your notepad, then create a new file, new HTML file here, navigation elements okay. Then write code in body type. So first use the navigation, then href is equal to hyperlink, and use second.html home, then copy, then enter, paste here, paste okay. See here, gallery about contact, see here, then run this file, see here, then use style tag here, style tag here, in style tag body font family Comic Sans MS okay. Then margin is equal to 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Then write code for navigation, padding 5 pixel, background color orange, see ya, background color orange, see ya. Then write the code in nav a font size 20 pixel, text decoration none, padding 15 pixel, 25 pixel, see ya, refresh this page, see ya. Background color orange, see ya, background color orange. Then use h-offer tag here, use h-offer, so use nav a colon offer, background color black, and color white, background color white, and font size is equal to 25 pixels okay. See here, refresh this page, see here, display, see here, display inline block. Run this file. See here, display inline. See here, new background color. Background color is yellow. See here, run this file. See here, then use here link tag ahead. Link relation is a style sheet. href is equal to animated.css. Use navigation here. Use class here. Class. Use navigation class is equal to new animated dot animated flip. Animated flip. See here. Then run file again. See here. So okay, I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming UK, and then click on bell icon for another update. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.